let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fabiola Ajana with student number 123241010.
And I'm Lula Daniela Rasmi with student number 123241021.
Today we will present our topic review based on the topic of the representation of women in modern literature. Based on our topic, we selected an article titled Female Representation and Resistance to Stereotypes in Mulan 1998. Summary article. The article analyzed the presentation of women in Mulan, focusing on gender stereotypes and resistance. The study uses a qualitative descriptive method, examining scenes, dialects, and visual elements from the film. The researchers apply a montage technique and analyze the data using the Miles and Huberman model.
The findings show that women in the film are initially portrayed through traditional stereotypes such as being obedient, domestic, and judged based on beauty standards. And these expectations are reinforced through cultural norms, particularly in scenes involving the matchmaker. And however, the film also presents resistance to these stereotypes through the character of Mulan. She challenges gender roles by disguising herself as a man, joining the army, and proving that women are capable and strong. Overall, the article argues that Mulan both reflects and challenges patriarchal values, making it a complex representation of women in modern media. Okay, this presentation is based on an article written by Febrianto and Septiani, which analyzes how female stereotypes are constructed and challenged in the film. This article discusses gender stereotypes, particularly how women are often socially constructed through expectations related to behavior, appearance, and roles in society. In many cultures, women are expected to be obedient, gentle, and focused on domestic responsibilities, while men are associated with strength and public roles. These expectations create limitations that shape how women are perceived and treated. Therefore, this study is important because it not only shows how stereotypes are represented, but also how they can be challenged. The film Mulan 1998 becomes a powerful medium to explore these issues.
Okay, next, the research objectives. The first objective of this research is to identify the forms of female stereotypes presented in the film. The second objective is to analyze how resistance to this stereotype is portrayed through the characters of Mulan. Finally, the research aims to explain how the film delivers messages that challenge unfair and limiting views about women.
Okay. For methodology, this study used a qualitative descriptive method, which means the researchers focus on interpreting meaning rather than using numbers or statistics. And the data is collected from scenes, dialogues, and visual elements in the films. The researchers use a montage technique where they select important scenes and analyze them in detail. For data analysis, they apply the Miles and Huberman model, which includes three steps: data reduction, data display, and drawing conclusions. This method allows the researchers to deeply explore how meaning is constructed in the film.
So now we going to the findings of this research. The first findings is stereotypes. The first finding shows that women in the film are portrayed through traditional stereotypes. For example, women are expected to be obedient, polite, and focused on domestic roles. They are also judged based on their appearance and behavior. This can be clearly seen in the matchmaker scene, when Mulan is evaluated based on whether she can become a proper woman, and this reflects the societal expectation that women must conform to certain standards in order to be explained by the friend.
Okay, the next finding is resistance. The second finding focuses on resistance to these stereotypes. Mulan challenges traditional gender roles by disguising herself as a man and joining the army, which is normally a male-dominated space. Through her actions, she proved that women are capable of being strong, brave, and independent. Her success in the battlefield shows that ability is not determined by gender. This part of the film highlights that stereotypes are not fixed and they can be questioned and challenged.
And for the additions, overall, the article argues that Mulan presents a complex representation of women. On one hand, the film reflects traditional gender stereotypes, but on the other hand, it also challenges these stereotypes through the characters' actions. These dual representations make the film more meaningful because it doesn't simply accept or reject gender roles, but rather negotiates them.
So now we discuss about limitations. However, the study also has several limitations. First, it mainly focuses on the character of Mulan and doesn't explore other characters or perspective in depth. And the second one is the analysis is limited to textual interpretations, meaning it only looks at the film itself and not how audiences respond to it. And lastly, the article suggests that future research could use different approaches, such as psychological analysis, to gain deeper insight.
So, we come to the last part, that is conclusion. The article shows that Mulan portrays both gender stereotypes and resistance. Women are initially represented through traditional expectations such as obedience and domestic roles. However, these stereotypes are challenged through Mulan's resistance. This resistance demonstrates that women can be strong, capable, and independent. This makes the film a complex and significant example of female representation in modern media. It reminds us that while stereotypes still exist, they can also be challenged and transformed.
So for the last section, we have to share our personal insight from this research.
Okay, for me myself personally, I think this article is very interesting because it shows how women are often limited by stereotypes in society. At the same time, it also shows that these limitations can be challenged. However, I also realized that gender expectations do not only affect women, but also men, who are often expected to be strong in every situation. So, I believe that rigid gender roles can be limiting for everyone, and this is why this issue is still relevant today. How about you, Adam?
Okay, I think the article shows that resistance is not always direct. In moments, she has to disguise herself as a man to challenge stereotypes, and this makes me realize that sometimes people must adapt to the system first before they can change it, which means equality is not fully achieved yet.
So, I think it's enough for our discussion today. May this analysis proves useful. Thank you for watching.
See you.